SeeDeep offers diving lenses that can be worn as normal reading glasses. Start your dive using the full capacity of your diving mask without any lenses limiting your normal view. Only put the glasses on when you really need them, and they will give you a sharp view of even the tiniest details that underwater life has to offer. You can choose to keep them on for the rest of the dive. Or put them back into the neoprene case to use the full capacity of your mask again. And only put them back on when you need them. On the back side of the glasses, there are two soft adhesive parts. This prevents sliding of the glasses on your diving mask frame. This will keep the glasses on any chosen position on your diving mask. Depending if the object are below you, in front of you, or even above you. Just put the glasses in a position what is most comfortable for you to watch an object. The frames of the reading glasses are available in anodized aluminum black, anodized aluminum blue, and stainless steel. The lenses itself are made of indestructible polycarbonate. And the reading glasses are designed to fit all diving mask models, from dual lens to single lens and even frameless masks. SeeDeep is all about optimizing your underwater view. We offer a sharp view when you need it and an unlimited view when you don't, just like normal reading glasses.